sometimes you gotta spend money to make money. And in this case, I was sort of forced to spend money. So what I'm thinking is... These ideas are really, I think, good ideas. Is this the reporter?
Oh, yeah.
Good morning. Are you guys ready to start?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's get started. Do you have a plan, or is this maybe...
Yes or no?
Of course there's a plan.
Well,
Only an idiot would set this up and not have a plan. I'm not gonna let the lamestream media try to fuck this shop up.
This is not the lamestream media. This is a guy who's probably an intern.
Fucking journos in here.
He's not a journal.
Pissing me off.
I've got some ideas. Women are a totally untapped market.
For now, dude. About to tap him.
excuse me?
Okay, that's kind of a good serial killer thing.
What? I'm sorry, is that supposed to be funny?
What do you mean? Yes.
Okay, I have my story. Do you mind if I just...
There's really no need to be writing any of that down.
No.
You don't know what you're doing, do you?
Okay, none of that.
This is the worst.
No, I'm trying to explain. I don't know if the reporter's gonna get those jokes.
You can't be doing that.
All right, my bad, dude.
Well, I don't think you're getting the gist of this. I, knocked the bottom out of it.
Whoa.
Yes, man,
Don't.
Willie.
What?
Don't go in there. Just leave it alone.
No.
Just leave it alone.
No. It's way more complicated than that.
Just seems a little reductive.
It does seem reductive now that he's saying it.
It's not reductive.
Okay, so, is the smell of tires usually this strong?
The smell can be a little overwhelming. But if you go home,
Yeah.
a little shampoo in the hair, it'll come right out.
Okay.
Yeah. And I want to say I'm sorry. Honestly, one of my problems is I haven't had sex in like a decade.
Don't say that.
See, now that's funny.
Okay, wait.
What's funny about that?
You know, I came all the way out here from the paper.
You drove all the way down here from the big paper.
All the way down here from the big paper. Thank
Yeah,
you.
and you know what? It seems like this is one big joke.
It's no joke. It's no joke.
Extra. Frauds are getting hired down at the shop. That's good. That's a good headline for you. You could use that.
Okay. I'm not gonna take headline advice from someone who changes tires for a living.
Oklahoma drill right
Okay,
now.
that's enough.
Sit down.
Where do you see this?
Hey, is my car almost ready?
Uh-oh. What a mistake. I can help you.
How?
You want me to fix it?
Yes.
1 minute. I promise.
You shouldn't have gone in there.
I'm gonna take care of this. You just have to trust me. Can't get any worse. I'm gonna teach you my ways.
But anyway, listen. Let's just focus. I mean, there's a ton of different ways to just. All right. Let's take 5. Okay.
When my car's ready, let me know.
All right.
How was that? I came up with that.
Okay. Well, I do apologize about that, but it could have been 10 times worse. So.
We want to be that change.
Well,
Let me show you.
Sounds like it's a little shaky.
Right?
It's not shaky.
You sure?
Careful.
mind if I ask you a few questions?
Yes, kinda.
How long have you worked here?
How long have I worked here?
Yes.
I have a question. How long have you known Ligma?
What's the ligma?
Yeah.
No charge on that.
Awesome. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's very nice. You're not trying to bribe me or anything, are you?
No, I mean, obviously not. That's just.
Look at those. Now we move on.
Oh.
Damn.
Natural.
You're all set? Thank you for shopping at...
Goodbye.